Hey, hi, hello, dear friends. Welcome to Roshan's English World, your ultimate guide to mastering conversations. Do you struggle to start conversations? Feel nervous while speaking? Want to sound more confident and natural? If yes, then you are in the right place. In today's session, we are diving deep into the art of effective conversation, how to start, how to maintain, and how to end a conversation smoothly. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone looking to improve social skills, this class is for you. So get ready to boost your confidence, improve your speaking skills, and make every conversation impactful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing lessons. Let's get started without any late.
Okay, friends, in today's conversation, we are going to listen and watch about a conversation which took place between two friends and a shopkeeper, in which way they played tricks on each other, and at the end, what happened. This conversation shows us how the dialogues transacted between the persons and in a funny manner. I hope you will be enjoy this conversation, and let us start without any late. So that is a busy Indian market. The roles are there. Raj and Amit are friends, and there is a shopkeeper. Okay, Raj, bro, I want to buy sunglasses. Let's go to that shop. Array, don't buy at full price. You have to bargain. But the board says fixed price. Bro, in India, fixed price is just decoration. Watch and learn. And after that, they went to the sunglasses shop. There, the shopkeeper, this sunglasses, sir, this sunglasses is 500. Bhaiya, 500? Even my future is not this bright. Okay, okay, special discount for you only, and that is 450 rupees. Are bhaiya, do I look like Ambani's cousin? 200 final. Sir, 200. Even my supplier will laugh at me. Bhaiya, 250 last price, not more than that, and not enough that. Okay? Okay, okay, done. Then Amit entered and he said, bro, I could have got it for 200 only. Then Raj replied, Bhaiya, cancel. We will come tomorrow. We don't want this sunglasses because you sold it that 250 rupees, but my friend got it at 200 rupees only. Then shopkeeper said, okay, fine. Take it for 200 only. This is the funny manner in Indian, oftenly happens in the Indian markets. Especially we look like this type of the conversation at vegetable marts especially, and we all are familiar with that. I hope this conversation, dear friends, here I am telling you like that this conversation, this is a form to transaction the language between one another, and here I put all my efforts to provide the language in a maximum manners which you can be learn, you can be understand, and after these conversations we will be start the formal conversations also. After that we took another part. So stay tuned with us, and don't forget to like and comment our videos.
Okay, dear all, as we wrap up today's session, remember that conversation is more than just words. It's about connection, understanding, and expression. The more you practice, the more confident and natural you will become. Keep engaging in meaningful discussions, listen actively, and don't be afraid to express yourself. Every conversation is a chance to learn something new. If you found today's class helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful lessons. See you in the next session. Until then, take care. Goodbye.